If you're seeing Gmail error 575, don't panic. In most cases, this is a temporary account or delegation issue, and there are a few simple fixes you can try to get back in without making the problem worse. In this video, I'll walk you through the safest step-by-step methods to fix Gmail error 575, and I'll also show you what to do if the lock is still active. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and easy step-by-step tutorials. First, the most important thing to do is wait for the system lock to clear. If your inbox or account is currently locked, do not keep changing settings over and over again. Leave the inbox or account untouched for 24 to 48 hours. In many cases, this temporary security lock resolves on its own, and the error disappears after the waiting period. This is the easiest and safest first step because repeated login attempts or repeated changes can sometimes delay recovery. While you wait, avoid making unnecessary changes to the account, and then check again later to see if access has returned. If the error is related to delegation, the next step is to reset delegation properly. On the main account owner's side, open Gmail settings and remove delegate access completely. After removing the delegate, wait at least 60 minutes before adding the delegate again. This pause gives Gmail time to clear the old session and permissions. Once the waiting period is over, re-add the delegate and test access again. This simple reset often fixes permission conflicts that can trigger Gmail error 575. Next, let's do some basic troubleshooting in the browser. Sometimes the issue is not the account itself, but corrupted cache or cookies in your browser. Open your browser, click the three-dot menu, go to Delete Browsing Data, and select Cookies and Cached Images and Files. Then clear the data and try signing in again. This refreshes the browser session and removes outdated login information that may be causing the error. After clearing the cache and cookies, reload Gmail and check whether access is restored. If you still can't get in, try alternate access. Open Gmail in an incognito or private window and sign in again. This helps you test whether the issue is being caused by stored browser data or extensions. If that does not work, try a different browser entirely and sign in there. Sometimes Chrome, Edge, or Firefox will behave differently, and switching browsers can help you confirm whether the problem is browser-related or account-related. Once you've tested alternate access, review whether the account is now working normally. In many cases, one of these steps will clear the error and restore access. So to recap, start by waiting 24 to 48 hours for the system lock to clear, then reset delegation if needed, clear your browser cache and cookies, and finally, test Gmail in an incognito window or a different browser. These steps are simple, safe, and effective for resolving Gmail error 575. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another Gmail error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.